side, what we can see is that Sterlite Toothukudi plant is in fact expected to be rolling out more tons of oxygen as well. Remember, the Tamil Nadu government as well as the Madras High Court had given a thumbs up for the production and supply of medical grade oxygen from the Sterlite plant after the Vedanta had written to the Union Health Minister as well as the Tamil Nadu former Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, saying that they will be able to produce and supply medical grade oxygen. Just a few days back, the oxygen was also sent for the labs in the center to get it tested and see for the efficiency and the purity of the oxygen, given that it needs to be the medical grade medical oxygen that needs to be supplied. And just now, recently, we have also seen that there had also been a couple of tests. We have also seen protests that had taken place outside Toothukudi Sterlite plant by the localized, saying the plant needs to be shut down. But with the go-ahead that had been given and a special committee that will be set up to look into the production and supply and distribution of this medical oxygen that will be produced at the Sterlite plant. This time, the first set of 5 tons of oxygen has been rolled out from the factory. 5 tons of oxygen having 98% purity produced at the factory has just left for the Tirunelveli district as well. We are also expecting that the oxygen that has been produced will be supplied in short batches, and it will be supplied as and when the first set that has been rolled out is being efficiently used. So we are also going to see a natural progression that will be starting in a few days and a few weeks from now on. And this is something that Tamil Nadu government has already given an acceptance for. And now that the oxygen is being supplied, it will be only a short amount of time before the 1,000 KL of oxygen that the Vedanta company had said they will be able to produce and supply will be set into motion.